Look familiar? Yeah. Let's be honest, I think we can all admit we've let the laundry get out of hand once or twice. Maybe you don't like doing laundry. Maybe you don't know how. It's okay to admit that. Either way, here's some tips and tricks for you to check out. Maybe make the laundry process a little less painful for both you and your clothes. First step is to clean up. Neat trick, huh?
Sorting is a step that I see done improperly or skipped altogether by my college-age peers. I can only assume that there are more people than just them that are doing it. So if you're the one washing 2 weeks of laundry in one load, listen up. Your clothes do not get clean if the washing machine is jam-packed. You need to break it up into smaller piles, sorted by color and sometimes fabric. Not only does this step result in cleaner clothes, it is essential to preventing discoloration and wash wear. As you go, make sure your clothes are flipped right side out and all dirty socks have a match. Trust me, it'll be worth it when you go to fold and put the laundry away. Now you're not trying to create a rainbow out of 15 little piles. That ain't it, Chief. Instead, think more in terms of white, medium, bright, and dark. Don't let all the buttons get you nervous. For now, let's focus on our missing ingredient, detergent. This one is a personal preference. Choose between powdered, liquid, or the ever internet famous Tide Pod. Now let's get to the buttons. Here are your preset cycles. Time control and water temp. Time to get a load started. Make sure to untangle the clothes as you put them into the machine. As a general rule, you can expect to wash laundry on the normal cycle. However, water temperatures are not as universal. Just know, darks and brights need cold water to keep them from bleeding. Whites use hot water, and everything in between is safe to wash in warm water. Pick your settings and press start. When the timer sounds, move the clothes from the washer to the dryer. Again, making sure to untangle items as you go. The clothes won't dry properly if they're all balled up together. Before you start twisting knobs and mashing buttons, there are a couple things worth mentioning. First is the importance of cleaning the lint trap. That's a fire hazard. Second is to use dryer sheets. They act as a fabric softener and give your clothes that fresh and clean smell. Just throw 1 or 2 in with the clothes and shut the door. A safe bet for drying a normal size load of laundry would be 40 to 50 minutes on low to medium temperatures. When the dryer has completed its cycle, it's best to fold clothes straight out of the machine while they're still warm. It helps keep your clothes from getting wrinkled, and let's be honest, there's nothing quite like the feeling of soft, warm clothes. An added bonus of folding at the machine is that the job is done when you get to your room and all that's left to do is put the items where they belong. Before you leave though, make sure to take care of the mess in the lint trap. Be a better person than whoever used the machine before you.